Carl Jung once said, people will do anything, no matter how absurd, to avoid facing their own souls. And isn't that exactly what we do when boredom creeps in? We're running. We all are. Running from the quiet, from the stillness, from the moments where nothing exciting is happening. But have you ever stopped to ask, what are you really running from? The answer? Yourself. The myth of boredom. Why we fear the silence. We've been conditioned to fear boredom. From the moment we wake up, we flood our brains with notifications, entertainment, and endless distractions. But what if that emptiness we try so hard to escape is actually the key to everything we want? What if boredom isn't a dead end, but a doorway to focus, to discipline, to the kind of deep work that changes everything? Lesson 1. Boredom is not your enemy. It's a sign of consistency and discipline. Think of the athlete who spends hours perfecting the same move. Think of the writer staring at a blank page, forcing themselves to put words down, even when inspiration is nowhere to be found. Think of the entrepreneur meticulously building their business, brick by painstaking brick. These aren't moments of excitement. These are moments of mastery. Boredom is not a sign that you're failing. It's a sign that you're doing something right for long enough to make a difference. Your breakthrough won't come from chasing the next exciting thing. It will come from your ability to stay in the process when it stops feeling fun. Lesson 2, don't follow your feelings. Follow your mind or emotions. They're powerful, but they are not reliable. How many times have you skipped a workout because you weren't in the mood? How many times have you abandoned a project because frustration whispered, "This isn't worth it"? Here's the truth. Feelings are signals, not commands. The most successful people don't act based on how they feel in the moment. They act based on what they know is important in the long run. The Stoics knew this. So did Carl Jung. Your emotions will always try to pull you toward comfort, but real growth, it happens when you resist that pull. Lesson 3. Carl Jung's warning. Don't be a slave to your emotions. Jung saw what most of us refuse to admit. Our obsession with constant entertainment, with mindless pleasure, with avoiding discomfort, it fragments us. It disconnects us from who we really are. We chase stimulation instead of stillness. But here's the kicker. Stillness is where you meet yourself. It's where you come face to face with your fears, your doubts, your potential. And that is the beginning of true self-mastery. So the next time you feel bored, don't run from it. Lean into it. Sit with it. Listen to what it's trying to tell you. Conclusion. Boredom is a sign. You're on the right path. Boredom isn't an enemy. It's the cost of depth. It's the price you pay for greatness. So the next time you feel that itch to reach for your phone, to escape, to fill every second with noise, stop, take a deep breath, and recognize that this is where the real work begins. You are on the right path. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more thought-provoking content, and let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'll do differently the next time boredom creeps in? Thanks for watching. See you next time.